The rain, the rain in my thought, it is dark and black thought. In this thought, everything so dim. The rainy thought, the brain is so cold and dark. The rains and the thoughts, not so different. Wind so scary. Through small hole there is small hope, which makes my thoughts unwary. The small rays of hopes gives me great strength. The rain in my thoughts through small hope, giving new growth of new beginning, which makes my thoughts bright and light. No doubt my life is cold and dark, but still there is great hope. So my thoughts are clean, and rain is mercy of Almighty. The rain of my thoughts, not bigger than mercy of Almighty, then why should I be afraid? It is life if I understand mercy of greatest Almighty. Then rain becomes great mercy. It will not say, even not cold or darkness. Mercy will make my thoughts bright and clear. So I told my thoughts, don't be afraid. You will turn into brightness because there is magnificent mercy of Almighty more than cold and darkness.